These are such fun. I'm going to be making some more. So what I've been doing is going through this book, which is one of those old albums, and pulling out the pages and making things with them. So this is another one, and it's actually an oval, and I have cut it down. So the other two I've done, I've left them in the same size. This will be going on a page, and I want to have it this way rather than portrait. I'm going to turn it landscape. So I've just cut some papers, and I will now put some onto the edges, which is what I've done in the last couple as well. But again, this one's going to be slightly different because it's not going to be a page that's going to stand alone. It's actually going to be a page that, or an embellishment that sticks onto a page. So let me just get some things going first. See where I want to put these. And a bit more along here. Again, I'm just using offcuts of Tim Holtz paper that I happen to have, because I use a lot of his paper and I've got lots of offcuts. Hence the reason I'm using them this time. And with this one, I want to get this signature on there. So I'm thinking if I put it just about here, it will go on. Yep. And I will also put some down this other side, so it's pretty quick. Now I've worked out the method for doing it, and with this one I'm not going to have the clear stuff behind, which I had in the last one, so therefore I'm able to actually put it, overlap it so I can cut it out easily. So I've got that almost in. Let me slide it down a bit. That's better. I can feel that I've got that signature and the red bank sign in there now, and then just a little bit for down here. Let's see, probably just cut a little piece off. This one should fit. We'll actually lift that up so I can get that here. And put a bit more glue on here so that it works. I'll just slide this paper under and see what this is looking like. It's a bit hard to tell without the paper underneath. No, I think I need to cut them out. Yep, okay, we're going to cut. Just fussy cutting them around them. I'm not going all the way up to them. I think that's going to be better to have them fussy cut like that, definitely. So before I do that, I want to put this on. Let's put some glue up here. I think I'll get a better idea if this is actually in place at the top. Just not the bottom, obviously, because then can I tuck these in like this. All right. And I wondered if I could even, you know, tuck some up the back. Have a look at some of those and see if I can tuck them up the back. Now, if you've got your own old photos, I suppose you could use those. You don't have to use this sort of photo. Just wondered if like this. That looks cute. I might do that. I like that. Now, I need to have something. Where's some others? I do want people who are smiling. I was thinking about the unsmiling ones, but I actually want the smiling ones. And I've got, let's see if I've got any men. Oh, that little boy's cute. Here's a guy with a top hat. He's got a bit of a smile on his face. I like this little girl. She's got a cheery little smile. I'll cut her out. She looks like she's in a school uniform. I just think this guy with the top hat, his head's too big for what I'm trying to achieve. I really do think that. So it looks like, you know, this is the family group shot and they're all trying to get into the shot. No, I don't like that there. I might put a little person there though. Maybe this little boy with his hat on his head, sailor's hat. These photos are so adorable. So nice that Tim has rescued them so that we can all share in them. I do have a lot of my own old photos from my mother and my grandmother, but it's nice that, you know, they're I know who a lot of them are, but not all of them, but I like that I can just chop these ones up and play with them. Maybe that chap with the hat will go better back here. Oh no, his head's still too big. But that little kid looks nice there. So I tuck her behind him. That looks better. And this lady down here. And what else have I got? See if I can find another person. Oh, yeah, she's good. She's a good size. Like another man or a boy, because I don't have a lot of them there, do I? Now, what about this couple? I can do another couple. Maybe I'll put this one down here. Oh, they're not cooperating. Please cooperate. Oh no, it's got a straight edge on the side, so I really can't use that. Maybe I'll move this over here. Yeah, I like that where it was. Let's move them back again. Got this. And this one under, oh, that needs to go over the top though, doesn't it? Yes. And just cut the edge of this. I'll put the boy at the front because the little kids are probably mostly at the front, aren't they? And what else have I got to put in here? Let me see. Did I cut anything else out? I need one more, I think, for in here. Maybe this one. They're bothering me. They've got to go. I'll have to use those elsewhere. They're just not working. They're all working except for that one. I need one more head in there. What about this chap? He looks like he's a smiley chap. Let's do him. His head's a bit smaller too, so he should fit in that space quite well. Put him in here. What's he got? Something on his shoulder. I don't know. I think that's pretty good. She kind of stands out a bit though, doesn't she, as being, maybe I'll switch her with this girl. She's a bit smilier, and we'll put the family sad sack at the back. Yep. Everyone's saying, she never smiles. She never smiles. All of our photos, she's never got a smile on her face. I like that. That's cute. All right, we're going to stick all that down now. So I'm just going to hold all that in place and just... how am I going to stick all this down? Ah, they're all coming up. Okay, let me put them back in place again. Okay, so the first one down has to be the family sad sack because she's right at the very back. So this will be number 1 that I put down. And just pop her in there where I had her. Okay, and then I can put this chap in. Oh, my fingers are sticky, so they're getting, you know, they're sticking on the card as I'm trying to pick them up. Next is this girl, this boy, this man. And this one. And then I think this one's got to go down next. And then the little boy will go in last. So I need the woman and then these people. Yep, these people first. And just check he's going to fit in there. Take her up a little bit and probably in a little bit, and then finally this boy. Might slide her down. It's easy while they're still a bit wet just to push them around. And the little boy at the very front. And there you go, I've got them all in now. They're adorable. I just have to run some glue along here. There you go, aren't they gorgeous? They're really cute. Created a little family portrait. And now I want to do some other decoration on this frame. Let's put my photo booths away first. That used up a few of them, which is good. I've pulled out some lace and some flowers, and I'm going to start with that. And I may also end with that, I'm not sure yet. I'm just going to run this bit of lace that was lying around on the table across here. And then some flowers down here. And flowers up here as well. that's really cute. I'm not sure I want to do anything else to it right now. I think that's enough. And I love it. I love the little people that I've cut round to make a little family portrait. It's just adorable. So there you go. There's the third in the series of what to do with these photo albums. And if you haven't watched my other two videos, then go and have a look. This is the first one I did, which has got a little people in it. These are the Tim Holtz people. So this is actually going to be a page in one of my journals. And this is one, and I'm going to make a page by putting a spine on this one. But this is the one I did that's actually see-through, and you've got like a silhouette happening on the back. So that's way cool, isn't it? And now I love this one too. I'm wondering, do I need a saying on it? I think I do. I've got words on the other ones, and I really think I need to put something on here. Maybe I can put the word collection on it, because that seems appropriate given that there's a collection of people. And I'm just going to ink this one. I'm not going to do the tissue paper that I did in the other two. Just run some ink over the top of it. And then tuck it up under that flower there. So it's slightly off center. And just on top of that lace. And that's ready to be stuck into my junk journal. So I think that looks great. I don't think I need to add anything else to it. And I hope you'll join me next time. This is Deborah. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.